Hi folks, I hope you are all doing well. This will be the first and only video this week. So this week we've been mostly doing review, and the reason why I wanted to do that, I front loaded everything before spring break because I wanted to give you a chance to just kind of like try out some of the concepts, and then really like just kind of dig deeper, a little bit meatier this week. So this week we have a test. All right, that's why we've been doing so much review, right? So Monday and Tuesday. Monday you did a Kahoot review. I know some of you had to do it on PDF. I'm sorry that didn't work. I'm not really sure why it didn't work. But yeah, so I do appreciate those of you that were patient with me as I troubleshooted that. Tried to do something a little bit more fun. Doesn't always work out remotely, so that's why I went ahead and for Tuesday, I went ahead and just gave you all kind of like just a more simple worksheet, kind of like a choose your own adventure, depending on how you felt with the material. Today and tomorrow, so Wednesday and Thursday, you will be doing two reviews. Both of them are kind of like practice tests for your test on Friday. And what I'll then do is Thursday, probably Thursday afternoon or evening, I'll probably around maybe like 4 or 5 or so. So that way you have some time to do the Thursday review. What I'm going to do is for anyone that has submitted, if you've submitted an assignment, what you're going to get is the key. All right, you're going to get that assignment key via your email through Canvas, okay? And you'll get those on Thursday, and you'll have that for each assignment you've submitted. This is part of why I'm making this video, because I'm not going to go through any new content or anything, but on Thursday you're going to get the assignment key for any assignment that you've already submitted to Canvas. The reason why I want to do that is because giving individual feedback takes an extremely long time, and I already work a pretty significant number of hours on things like the videos and stuff for my other classes, in addition to the videos and stuff I make for your class. And I want to make sure that I'm really being cognizant of the fact that y'all are doing your best to review and learn this material remotely. So because of that, I wanted to make sure that I send you all the keys for all of the assignments that you've done. Now, keep in mind, if you haven't submitted an assignment, you're not going to get the key for it. So it's really important, even if it's late, it's still important to try out the assignments, especially because you're going to have problems that are really similar to them on your test. All right, so on Friday we have a test, but Thursday you're going to get all those assignments and reviews back. All right. Now on Friday, basically what's going to happen is the test is going to open. I'm trying to make one on Canvas, but through the quizzes, but it will be open for 24 hours. All right, so it's going to be open from 12 a.m. So on 12 a.m. Friday. But it closes, it would help if I spelled closes right. It closes at midnight, all right? So it's really important that you're actually doing it because it closes. I cannot reopen it after midnight. No exceptions, all right? So make sure that you make out some time, schedule out some time on Friday to take that test. The nice part is that the test is at home, right? So it's going to be open notes and open book, all right? So you can use your notes, you can use your book, but no internet, all right? No internet and no people. I mean, obviously you have to use some internet because, it's through Canvas, right? So Even if it's not on the quizzes tab, it'll be in the assignments tab. I'll make sure it's really obvious for you. But yeah, so the, like, you're going to have to use the internet to get to Canvas, but I don't want you Googling the answers. It'll be really difficult to anyway, but that's, like, just because it's a test, like, the way that we have it created, it'll be difficult. If you try and Google the answers, it'll just be a lot easier if you just show me what you know. And guess what? If you don't, if you don't do well, and you know you're struggling with this content, we'll work on it together, all right? This is new for everybody. But yeah, so no internet and no people, meaning like I don't want you talking with anyone or texting anybody about the test, okay? Unfortunately, I do have to do that like via honor system because like it's not like I'm gonna subpoena your phone records or anything, but I at least wanted to make sure I was really clear with that. So no internet, no people, but open notes, open book. Feel free to use a calculator, and in fact, please use a calculator if you ever need it. All right? So your test, remember, it's going to review addition, subtraction, and multiplication of polynomials. Right? It's also going to go over those characteristics. Right? So yesterday, Tuesday, you did a review on characteristics. Thursday was more of a review on factoring. All right, but your test is going to go through addition, subtraction, multiplication of polynomials, characteristics, and remember characteristics were like standard form, degree, leading coefficient, standard form, making sure your exponents are in descending order, degree, the biggest exponent, leading coefficient, the number in front of the variable with the biggest exponent. All right, so you have add, subtract, multiply polynomials, characteristics, and then your last one that you have is your factoring. All right, so when you're doing your factoring, what you're going to need to do is you'll have to know how to factor out monomials, meaning one term. All right, you're going to have to be able to also factor by grouping. And you'll have to be able to solve. Remember, that's just when you're taking each of the factors and setting them equal to 0, all right? So those are your 3 topics on your test. It sounds intimidating because it's a test and it's online, it's your first one. I know that some of you are scared or intimidated or nervous, whatever descriptor you want to use there. That's okay. We're going to get through it. Everything's going to be all right. And we're going to just do the best that we can with this, okay? I just want to let you all know I'm super proud of how well you all have been working. I'm just, like, really impressed with our Graham Cup House and students. Like, y'all are just, you're just incredible. You're incredible human beings, but, like, just seeing you all, how hard you've been working, how many of you are reaching out for help, things like that. Especially hearing from like other teacher friends, I'm just so happy to be in this district and so proud to just have you all as my students. So thank you all for the incredible good work. Best of luck on your test on Friday. I hope to see you tomorrow, Thursday, for my office hours. Remember, those are going to be at 10:30 instead of 11, okay? 10:30 for my office hours. All right, best of luck on your review.